What's poppin'? It's Pop 313 back again with another video. It's your boy Gengar Will with,
and it's your girl Lena East,
and we're here at Youmacon 2025 in Detroit, Michigan. It's the biggest anime convention in the Metro Detroit area. It's their 20th year anniversary, so we're here to hang out, go to the vendors, buy some stuff,
get some food, spend some money.
You know what I'm saying? We got our boy Marcus on the camera. Say what up, Marcus. We got some of our other friends you're gonna see along the way, but come along with us and enjoy the con.
She likes to
You doing?
Yeah. She likes to
I want to know what it is Quick is trying to say.
They're all great ones.
Oh, that's fire. Where you get this one from?
This one? It was part of a stamp rally, so I.
Wow, that's really retro.
Naruto and JJK. I want Naruto or Kakashi. The person who sold this to us, he didn't give me any insight on this one. He said,
He's trying to. He made me give. He's telling me that this is Toji. If it's not Toji, he gotta give me Toji.
all right, rip it.
What?
I'm gonna give you the card. Good card.
How you take it? Let me take it.
She already got a card.
How do you do that?
You want problem?
Fuck.
So, she got Toji. She got Toji. And I got Nora.
Hey everybody, so we went and found this bag, technically.
Got one figure, one Demon Slayer figure, one plush, and then a blind box.
Yeah, we was also trying to get a Freeman run. They had one over there, and we came back too late. So
It's
we
gone!
got the Demon Slayer.
It's gone!
So we're gonna see what's next one.
Yojiro Rengoku, the Flame Hashira.
Got Tanjiro.
Tanjiro.
And
That's all.
got the other thing. Sorry.
Don't let hold.
So damn, I'm watching.
Oh. Whoever put Asuka and Rengoku in there, you will pay for your sin.
Banged it again with the Naruto. The blue.
Wait, which one is that?
I like the big so.
Oh, featuring our friend Dallas. Naruto Labulu. What do you think of it? What are we getting?
Like, can I look first?
I
I don't know.
You can look at me, Ricky.
I don't know. Go ahead. Go. Just go.
All right. Okay, look. There's a card in there.
Oh, I was right.
I feel like I got one I already got.
I'm scared. He got so geek with yours.
Oh, I was right for both of them. Wait, that's kind of crazy.
Did we get the same thing?
No, y'all got two different things, but I knew y'all was going to get it. Okay, let me.
Like,
I know exactly. I had a switch though. I thought she was gonna be good. Like, you had
Not tough. So now you have Dorian. So I stay on beat. I got you not tough. What y'all like? Okay.
It's not a cocky. But I get that follows is probably the heavier one, like the boys. I'm not mad at it. I guess I got
Walk it like I talk it. Yeah. Take my shoes and walk a mile, something that you can't do. Hey. Big talks of the town, big boy gang moves. Gang moves. I like to walk around with my chain loose.
Bust a move, I dare you. Bust a move, I dare you. You can't hide from me. You can't hide from me. Bust a move, I dare you. He's in your peripheral. He's in your peripheral.
What is your problem?